Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Ready to Learn with Pooja Bhatnagar ma'am. Today in this video we will learn some sweets and dishes name. Curd, curd, C-U-R-D, curd. Pudding, pudding, P-U-D-D-I-N-G, pudding. Cheese, cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Churned curd, churned curd. Clarified butter, clarified butter. Vermicelli, vermicelli. Salad, salad. Omelette, omelette. Curry, curry. Pancake, kids' favorite pancake. Indian water balls, Indian watery balls. Dumpling, my favorite dumpling. Sauce, sauce. Cereal, cereal. Pickle, pickle. Cutlet, cutlet. Fritters, fritters. Poppadom, poppadom. Risole, risole. Funnel cake, funnel cake or jalebi. So viewers, what is your favorite sweet dish? Tell me. A. Rasgulla or B. Laddu. I'm waiting for your reply. So viewers, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel Ready to Learn with Pooja Bhatnagar. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye.